Welcome to the Digital Marketing Training Institute. Tell me, how can I help you today?
What do you cover in digital marketing course?
The digital marketing course is called the ADMD course. It stands for Advanced Digital Marketing Diploma. It has over 18 modules and it covers the entire digital marketing channels available on the internet platform. Now we start with something called SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. It basically helps you rank your website higher on Google, Bing, Yahoo. So in that we cover on-page optimization and off-page optimization. Then you go on to SMM, which stands for Social Media Marketing and Social Media Optimization. In that we cover your entire Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. So these are social platforms where you could actually advertise, promote your services and your products on these platforms. So we teach you how to create your campaigns, how to target the audiences who are interested in your products, the demographics available to you. So the entire module is dedicated on social media platforms, right? Then you go on to your Google AdWord. In that you have, this is one form of a PPC, along with social media is also a form of a PPC, which stands for pay per click. In that you cover your search network, display network, merchandising. So Google AdWords covers all the three options. Now basically in this you learn how to do bidding on Google, how to create your campaigns, how to do video marketing, etc. Then you go on to Google Analytics. Basically, I believe that Google Analytics is a backbone of the entire campaigning that you do in AdWords. Because Google Analytics gives you the entire insight about the number of people who came to your website, what did they click on, for how long they were on your website, etc. So the entire reporting, the entire analytics you get from Google Analytics. Then you go on to something called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you can actually make money on the internet. So we teach you how to do affiliate marketing using Google AdSense. Plus you learn affiliate marketing on Flipkart, Amazon, etc. Then you go on to something called email marketing. Email marketing is where you learn how to send multiple emails, how to design a good email. So that is covered in the module of email marketing. Then we cover online reputation management, we cover Google Webmaster Tools, then we cover digital marketing strategies. In digital marketing strategies, we actually teach you how to start your own digital marketing agencies, how to get clients for your services that you have learned right now, or the skills that you have learned, how to start your own digital marketing agency. Then you learn how to do content marketing using infographics. So a lot of modules are covered in this. Not only that, we even cover streaming. Streaming is something which is an online live video real-time streaming, which is really picking up quite well now. And then you learn how to use a few tools online, which we add another 10 bonuses which help you in branding, in running your digital marketing campaigns more efficiently. So basically in all we cover 18 modules, right? And the duration of this is approximately 85 hours. And we cover about 80% practicals and you have 18 live projects.
What is the fees of the course?
The fees of the course is 38,550, but the special offer of the month is as mentioned on the website. And it includes your 18 projects, you have 80% practicals, it includes your service tax, notes, books, certificate, is all inclusive.
And what's the strength of a batch?
A strength of the batches, we have basically 5 classrooms and we have 2 centers. So most of the classrooms are of 10 or 15 students each. And in all we have 2 centers. One is in Dadar and one is in Andheri West, right outside the station.
And what is the background of the faculty?
The background of the faculties are that each one of them is a Google certified faculty. Not only that, we all have experience on real-time campaigns since every faculty handles a few campaigns of their own. They've been in the industry since a good 8 to 10 years, right? So each and every faculty not only is a good teacher, but he has good practical knowledge as well.
So do you conduct exams after the course?
No, we do not conduct any exams after the course. But yes, we do evaluate you on the projects that we do with you. As I told you earlier, we have 18 live projects. So based on that, the faculty evaluates you and your certificate is issued.
So do you provide any help in Google AdWords examination?
Oh yes, we provide you complete guidance for the Google AdWords certification. As you may have the knowledge that Google AdWords certification is free of cost since the last 18 months. So basically we give you the entire support of how to appear for the exams and you could appear for them since anyway it's free of cost.
Do you provide job after the course?
Yes, we do provide you jobs after the course. We give you 100% job assistance. When you drop into the institute, you can have a look at the placement board. Not only that, we even teach you how to promote yourselves over LinkedIn and get a better job if you're already established in some kind of a field.
And what's the timings available?
The timings we have round the clock. We have early morning, which is a daily batch. Then you have an afternoon, which is 11 to 1. Then you have an afternoon of 2 to 4, 4 to 6, even in the late night batches of 7 to 9. Plus, we do even have weekend batches.
What are the benefits of digital marketing?
What are the benefits of digital marketing? According to me, digital marketing is here to stay. The day you and I decide to give up our mobiles, our tablets, our laptops, that will be the end of digital marketing. So I can tell you when is the end of digital marketing. The end of digital marketing is when you and I decide to stop using mobiles and laptops and tablets. Having said that, the advantages of digital marketing are that first of all, today when you switch on the television, there are how many televisions in your house?
2.
2, correct? And how many of you are there at home?
4.
4 of you all, correct? Now, if I ask you how many mobiles are there in your house, what would you answer?
Maybe 6 or 7.
Maybe 6 or 7. See, that's where your answer is. The point is that today everybody is switched on to a mobile. Either it's in the form of a game, either you're watching a video on YouTube, or you're checking your mails. You know, these are the 3 most common things that come to my mind right away. So when I say what are the scope of digital marketing, what are the advantages of digital marketing, all I'm saying is that if at all you want to sell your product, service, anything, even promote your e-commerce site, whatever you want to do, where you're looking for marketing, where you're looking at business development, it has to be on digital platform, because nowadays nobody is standing on the road and looking up in the sky and looking at the hoardings. Neither anybody is, even when the television is going on, the minute the advertisement comes, we just change our channels. So keeping that in mind, I feel digital marketing is here to stay, you know, because we have decided, and that's where our eyeballs are. You know, when you learn marketing in the most oldest form of marketing, we always say market where the people ka eyeballs are. And today those eyeballs are just on your mobiles, tablets and laptops. So there's no way digital marketing is going anywhere, according to me, till we decide.